Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliance, and I'm in front of a GE compact washer and dryer set. This is a model GFW148 with a GFT14 dryer. This is a condensation dryer, which means that there's no vent in the dryer. But let's just concentrate on the washer. So with the compact washer, first and foremost, we never want to overload our washer. So you always want to leave a little bit of space inside the machine, and you want to be able to close the door easily. So in terms of loading, never overload your machine. Next, and if not the most important thing, is to never put too much detergent in. So you want to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of detergent. You can use powder, you can use liquid, but it has to be high efficiency detergent. So that'll go here. Do not use what is on the bottle recommended. Okay, so if you're buying laundry detergent and it says to use a full cup, that is way too much. 1 to 2 tablespoons is the equivalent of a cough syrup beaker. That's 2 tablespoons. If you're going to use fabric softener, and I'm not a big fan of fabric softener because it causes a lot of problems with our machines, but if you do, use very little fabric softener and then dilute it with water prior to putting it into the dispenser. This particular machine does allow you to use bleach. Not a big fan of bleach, but if you did want to use some white vinegar or something, you could put that in. The soap cup is removable by pushing on the tab, and if you notice, sometimes you're going to get mildew around the edges, and a lot of times that's because either you're using too much detergent, or if you're leaving for an extended period of time, it's best to just leave that open to air it out and leave the door open. In terms of using the machine, pretty straightforward. Put your clothes into the machine, close the door, select your 1 to 2 tablespoons of detergent in your left cup, and then actually select your wash. So this will have normal, light, heavy duty, and then you can select your spin cycle. Max is always best for heavy duty items like sweatshirts, jeans, bedding. And then if you're going to select a like a light load or a delicate, you do want a lower spin speed. But what will happen is if you're using the right amount of detergent, this unit's going to extract as much water as it needs to so that the dryer will operate properly. So be sure to not overload your machine. Use no more than 1 to 2 tablespoons of detergent, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.